morning for Magic Kingdom. Frontierland's not open, so we're waiting. And there's a very loud show happening right now. Got his cinnamon roll and extra icing from Gaston's.
Got icing on my fingers.
We're at Sleepy Hollow now. I got a Mickey waffle with strawberries, so we're waiting on that to be ready. So we just finished our breakfast and now we're heading back over to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. We have a lightning lane for I believe like 10:15 or so, and it's going on about 10 now, so we get a little bit to wait, but that is going to be the next thing we do, and then from there we will see what wait times are. We're hoping for Big Thunder next. All right, we are now sitting outside Big Thunder. We have a lightning lane for it. Brandon's lost in thought. Nothing. I was saying
I was looking at Splash Down.
Oh, Splash was down. I don't know if it still is, but Seven Dwarfs was great.
Yeah.
So fun. We got right on it. Yeah, we waited 5 minutes, if that. It was really fun.
Yep.
And we rode it in an almost empty train, which was weird.
Yeah, there was only 4 people ahead of us, and the whole train behind us was empty.
They didn't fill it. It was weird. I almost kind of wish there were more people, because it's more fun when there's like a bunch of people on the ride with you. But anyway, we are going to do Big Thunder next. So we have a lightning lane at 11, I think. 11, something like that. So we're going to do that, and then probably try to go over to Pirates, see if we can get one for that one.
Yeah.
And see what the wait is if we can't, and then we'll go to Tomorrowland and do Buzz and Carousel of Progress probably. Yeah, it's a good day.
Beautiful outside.
It's fabulous outside. Fabulous. So we happen to be walking by and they're setting up for Festival of Fantasy for 12 o'clock. So before we go on Pirates, we're gonna watch it and sit in the shade. It is amazing how many people don't know how to like not walk down the road before parade, or go under the ropes that are the barriers.
Yep.
So this is great people watching right now.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
There are like, what would you say, 15 cast members?
14 or 15 cast members.
It's taking all of them, to direct the people across the street.
And keep them from going down the road where the parade's coming.
Parade was awesome. So glad it's
we
back.
had a really good seat too for it.
Yeah, we did. And it's awesome that it's back. So
Yeah, it is.
love that. Off to Pirates we go. We have a lightning lane.
Yep.
All right, we got the spring rolls from Adventureland. These are the 50th celebration pastrami and pepper jack cheese spring rolls with mustard on the side. Good? Yeah?
Yeah, very good.
All right, what did you think of the spring rolls?
It was very good.
Very good. Very good. We're now in line for Buzz Lightyear. And I'm probably going to lose again.
If you don't like cabbage, you don't taste it, so don't worry about that.
There's some cabbage in there. All right, we're heading on to the People Mover.
Yep.
The Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover.
That's right.
It says 20 minutes, touring plan says 13. We'll let you know if that's accurate. 18 minutes.
Please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors until open and
Hello.
close automatically. Enjoy your trip.
We've got some Tron construction over here, updated. Some plastic stuff on the dome.
Vehicle for people watching. We're now entering one of the
We're stopped in the People Mover in Space Mountain, and they just turned the lights on. But we're in Space Mountain. Oh yeah, the track's above us. That's the track up there. There's Brandon.
Hi.
Hi. Here's a closer look at the Tron construction. And there's the crowd.
For a different high-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights.
Crowd levels are at a 10 today. It definitely shows. Most rides are over an hour wait at the moment. Alright, we are in Lightning Lane for Peter Pan.
Yep.
The regular wait is 120 minutes. So we're very glad to have gotten a Lightning Lane right now for this. It's probably my favorite of the slow, like little kid dark rides, but I would never wait 120 minutes for it. We made it,
Carousel of Progress.
just in time.
That's right, they're just boarding now.
We're ready to sing.
That's right, it's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Yeah, we've got the Country Bears. We're going to Big Thunder again. Brandon was able to get us the Lightning Lane while he was in line for Space Mountain. There's like people in front of us that just hopped into the Lightning Lane and they don't know they have to continue to scan as you get closer. Look at them! chicken mac and cheese tots from Friar's Nook and the Sprite. We're just sitting over here by Mine Train. It's very nice over here. We are headed to Little Mermaid. It is a posted 40-minute wait with touring plans telling us it's going to be about 30. And we'll let you know if that is accurate.
Yep, I just got pooped on by a bird.
He did.
On my shoulder. It's just a tiny little thing.
Brandon got pooped on in Disney.
Yeah.
It's a special Disney bird, Brandon.
Yeah, it was. I feel very special.
Special, he chose you.
Oh, very good. I hadn't seen that forever. Oh, that's not mine. Oh, wait, it is. But that, I don't think that belongs to it. I've never seen it. Oh, wait, no, that is. That's mine.
All right, Ariel did indeed take 30 minutes on the nose. So now we are heading to our next lightning lane, which is Seven Dwarfs. We're stuck on Mine Train.
Yeah, at the end.
At the end, yeah. We made it through the whole thing, but we've been sitting here for a good 5 minutes now.
Just 5 minutes or so.
You guys want to see the view? The view is nice. It's very nice. There's people over there.
Welcome to the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train where a million diamonds shine. Due to technical difficulties, we've temporarily suspended all shipments to the mine. We expect to resume operations shortly, but we don't know how long the delay will be.
It's officially broken down. They just announced it.
Yeah, they just came over and told us. They said you have to stay seated.
I think we should just coast in. We're right around the corner from the station. That would probably not be good.
Imagine the ones that waiting like an hour to get out here, like us.
They might make us get out here. That would be a first. We're having all kinds of firsts today. Brandon got pooped on. I'm stuck on my train. Bunch of coins down there. Yeah. Yummy. We are front row for fireworks.
Yeah, we got a really good seat.
I'm on the line in the front.
And we're guarding someone's stroller for them.
Yes, they asked us if we could watch it for them, and we love that because now no one's going to stand behind us.
And I'm leaning back on it.
Yeah, it's great. It's really great.
In the night now.
Yeah. Mine Train round 3.
Hit them all before we go home.
Yep. We're riding demo in separate elephants. Brandon's back there. Wait, did I get you in? There you are. Wait. There's not enough people here to warrant riding double, so riding separate.